There's a white world outside my window, streetlights swallowed in the cold. Wind is howling like it knows every restless thought I hold. My hands shake like bare tree branches, craving fire in the freeze. Every breath feels like a question, every silence makes me plead. It's not the taste, it's not the flame, it's the habit calling my name.